For example, promotions and actions is included in the bundle for wholesale and distribution. Because you can imagine the situation that you would love to give certain customers additional promotions on specific items based on specific conditions. Like just a few examples, we basically have included 4 types of promotions. Here you see them highlighted in orange: free, add, discount, or replace. So for example, buy 5, get 1 for free. That's a type of promotion we have added. And also, if you, for example, buy 10 wine bottles from a specific category and it's above €80, and the total amount, then add a free bottle opener. That's the add type promotion. Then we also have a discount promotion type, which is basically, for example, a 5% additional discounts when a customer is buying a minimum of 10 pieces or of a particular item. And then, of course, that discount can be either replacing or be on top of existing customer discounts, for example. So you're really flexible in defining your own promotions and discounts framework, more or less. And the last type of promotion we have included in this feature is the replace feature, which means, for example, specific customer or a specific customer group, when they are ordering 10 standard cartridges, for example, then you can automatically replace them for 10 premium cartridges. And just to make use of these promotions, you need to enable promotions and actions as a feature in the model configuration. Then, of course, you need to define your own promotions based on customer group items and specific conditions. But I come back to that in a minute when I'm going to show some features live to you, which is basically the next step. So I would love to show some functionality, basically the promotions and actions I just mentioned, also the easy item finder and a lightweight document management system, which is available in those empowered industry solutions. So let me switch once again to Business Central. And for example, here, once again, we are in the role center. I go to the empowered menu, module configuration, and there I am going to enable promotions and actions. It's already enabled. So then let me go to promotions and actions. Like I said, you simply need to enable this feature, and then of course you need to create your own promotions. So let's go to the promotions list. Here I've prepared for this demo some promotion types. Please remember we had 4 types: free, add, discount, and replace, and let me show you 2 of them. So for example, we have created a new promo. It's called Month of the Chairs, and for example, this has a starting date from February to till the end of March, where we have, as our wholesale company, the Month of the Chairs, where we are doing additional promotions when we are selling chairs. One thing I would like to highlight over here is the apply promotion type. This is currently on multiple, and it can also be single. That means, do you want to apply this promotion once or every time it's meeting the conditions? What do I mean with that? For example, I mentioned the example, buy 5, get 1 for free. Is that only one single time? Or if you here assign the apply promotion type multiple, as soon as you sell 10, then they get 2 for free. So the promotion type will be multiplied as long as they are meeting the conditions. So this is just a very simple, generic, general configuration for the promo. Then, of course, probably you want to assign this promo only to specific customer or to specific customer groups. Here you're able to assign a specific customer price group or customer discounts group or whatsoever. For the sake of this demo, I simply enabled this promo for all customers. Then, of course, since we are speaking about Month of the Chairs, here for the demo purpose, I've included only one chair. So this promo is applicable to this specific chair we have in our inventory, in our item list, and which we are selling. Then, of course, the next important thing is creating the conditions. So in the example I showed in the presentation, I mentioned buy 5, get 1 for free. Here I've created for this promo, the condition is basically 4. So the minimum quantity is 4. That's the condition. And then if you go to the promotion type, here you see I've chosen the promotion type free and the quantity is 1. So basically, if you combine conditions and a promotion type, I've created now a promo. If you buy 4 chairs, you get 1 for free. And since I've chosen apply promotion type multiple, it will apply every time. So as soon as you sell 4, they get 1 for free. As soon as you sell 8, they get 2 for free. Another promotion type is the add type. Let me show you how I've created that promo. So basically, once again, you choose a date. Here I've applied the promotion type single, so this only counts 1. Once again, you can filter on customer and items, and here I've said if you're meeting the conditions, which means if you're selling 8 items, and items, once again, for this demo purpose, I have chosen the same chair. If you sell 8 of them, that's the condition, then we are adding a meeting package, whatever that might be, on top of it on the sales order. So, like I said, you enabled the feature that you want to make use of promotions and discounts in Business Central. You configure some of the promotions and then you're immediately able to work with them. So let me go back to the role center and go to a sales quote to show you how these promos are working. So here, for example, I have a sales quote for a Datum Corporation where I've included the item, the Paris Chair Black, which was the item I've assigned in my promotion types. And here on the sales quote, you see that I have the quantity 1. Now, if I replace that quantity with 4, remember buy 4, get 1 for free. And I click on calculate promotions, it will automatically check for all the available promos. And here you see that we get an additional line on your sales quote in this case, which is month of the chairs, the promotion number, and here you see that the customer will get 1 item for free on his sales quote. And we are making use of the item charges in this case to post all those lines to the general ledgers and the inventory lines. So buy 4, get 1 for free. Like I mentioned, I've applied the promotion type applied multiple. So if I now change the quantity to 8 and I click once again on calculate promotions, you will see 2 things. One, of course, is that you now get 2 for free because that was the promotion type buy 4, get 1 for free multiple. And since for the other promotion type, add the meeting package with the condition if you sell 8, then the meeting package will be automatically added. And since this was a single promotion apply type, you will see that as soon as I will change this quantity into 16, of course you get more chairs for free for the promotion buy 4, get 1 for free, but the meeting package is still 1. So here you see that really easy. Only people who are creating those promotions need to think about items, specific customer groups, conditions, if the promo needs to be applied 1 single time or multiple times. And then the sales team simply needs to create the sales quotes or sales orders for their customers. And we will automatically take care of all the promos which are applicable and where the customer is eligible for. In this demo, every time I clicked on calculate promotions, but you're also able to configure it that it should be done automatically as you click on release. But for the sake of this demo, that I don't need to release and reopen every time, I toggle that setting off. But you can choose for the button manually calculate the promotions or automatically as soon as you're releasing the document. So that's a live demo about how promotions could work as soon as you enable that in your Empower